Good morning everyone! Welcome ulit dito sa ating tips ni Kuya JP. Happy Monday everyone sa atin. And let's learn a new tips for today. Kahapon ay pumunta ako ng Bulacan upang umattend ng wedding ni Jolem and ni Rhea. Si Jolem ay aking kababata sa church. And sa inyong dalawa, Jolem and Rhea, congratulations and best wishes. What are the things that we may able to learn before getting married? Number 1, communication. Establish open and honest communication with your partner. Discuss your expectations, fears, and dreams openly. This is to build a firm foundation of your relationship. Number 2, compromise. Understand that marriage involves compromise from both parties. Be willing to negotiate and find solutions that work for both of you, rather than insisting your own way all the time. Third, commitment to growth. Recognize that you and your partner will both grow throughout your lives. Make a commitment to support each other's personal growth and development, both as individual and as a couple. So that's our 3 tips before getting married.